In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Twitch with OBS Studio, specifically tailored for beginners, as of 2025. So, you're eager to start sharing your gaming, art, or any creative streams with the world on Twitch, but you're not quite sure how to set that up with OBS Studio? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to go live on Twitch with confidence. To start, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. It's a fantastic open-source tool that allows you to capture and broadcast your streaming content. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it online with a quick search. Once you have OBS Studio open on your screen, look for the Settings tab. It's usually located at the bottom right corner. Clicking on this will open up a new window with multiple options. Next, navigate to the left-hand side where you'll see an option labeled Stream. This is the section where we will be configuring your streaming settings. Click on it, and you'll be presented with another set of options. Now, focus on the Services section. This is where you're going to link OBS Studio with Twitch. In the Services drop-down menu, go ahead and select Twitch. You'll notice several other platforms there as well, but today we're focusing on getting you set up with Twitch. Selecting Twitch ensures that OBS Studio will optimize settings specifically for streaming on that platform. Now that you've got Twitch selected, the next step is crucial. Click on Connect Account. If you're not already signed into Twitch on your browser, you'll be prompted to do so. It's a straightforward process. Just use your Twitch credentials to log in. By connecting your account, you're allowing OBS Studio to directly communicate with Twitch, making streaming much smoother. Finally, let's talk about the Stream Key. This is a unique code that Twitch provides to ensure that you're the one broadcasting from your account. Head on over to your Twitch dashboard to find your unique Stream Key. Make sure not to share this key with anyone, as it gives complete access to stream on your channel. Once you have copied your Stream Key, return to OBS Studio and paste it into the appropriate field. And there you have it. With everything set up in OBS Studio, you're now ready to start streaming your content to Twitch. Remember to hit that Start Streaming button within OBS when you're ready to go live. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy streaming, and I can't wait to see what amazing content you share with the world.